Welcome to Nature's Glory Cabin Off-Road. Today we have some important trail updates to a couple of our easier trails, New Virginia Ridge Road and Spas Creek. This was recorded a couple of different times. One of them was a little bit later spring, and this other one was a little earlier spring. We're going to start here with New Virginia Ridge Road, and the bridge has been out for quite some time. You can see the water going over the bridge there. Well, we're going to go across now. This little bypass is the accepted and the way they expect you to go now until the bridge gets fixed, which will be no time soon. So you go off to the side here, go up the creek a little bit, and if you're going in this direction, you're going to need to climb. Stock vehicles are going to have a little more trouble with this. Now, if you come down from the other direction, it'll be a little easier. The water is not much trouble. The bottom's pretty solid, so you can still get across it. But remember, the bridge is out and will be for the foreseeable future. And we'll just show this from the, I got a camera that's down below the bumper, and you'll see that it's about 24 inches, 18 inches off the ground, and it goes underwater. And we're going to climb out here, and you can get a little better look at this. It's got some ruts in it, and but it's doable, but stock vehicles, smaller tires, are going to have more trouble. Now we're going to move on off here to Spas Creek. There's been some trail maintenance going here on Spas Creek, here and there. A few places are a little easier. The chute here is the same as it's always been. Again, smaller tires and lower clearance, longer vehicles will have more trouble. That's just the way it is. But this is the limestone chute. It's very narrow on both sides, so you may need a little spotting to get through it. Now at the top of the hill when we get up here, there was a big mud hole that's not as bad as it used to be. It's graded a little bit, and it's had a slot cut out to the side for drainage. It's still a little steep, and it's still a little deep. Stock vehicles don't have much trouble with this, but we're going to get up here in a second, and we're going to show you the new problem. There's a big mud hole that has developed at the end, and we'll go up here in a second and we'll see that. It's got a pretty entry's pretty easy, but a pretty sharp exit, and smaller vehicles with lesser tires always have trouble with this. So you'll have to think twice about it. I'm on big tires. I got 37-inch tires and lots of clearance, so I get through this pretty easy. You need to pay attention to this when you're up here. Well, I hope everybody's enjoyed this little trail update. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.